welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. My signature color is purple, and I love to decorate DIY, tablescapes, vignettes, the whole lifestyle, honey. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. Today we're going to take a walk around Home Goods and see what type of decor they have in store. And make sure you watch all the way till the end so you can see what I hauled. But for right now, I would love for you to sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy the music while we browse around. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. It lets YouTube know that you enjoy this type of content, and they will continue to push my videos forward. And consider joining the family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Don't they just have the cutest items up near the register? I find that I always get caught. They had some of these Easter eggs that were well priced, over $12.99 during the season, for $4 to $7. So you know I had to get some for next year. And I picked up a couple of items for an upcoming collab. Beautiful peach placemats and peach blinged out candle holders. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.